Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the sound. Can you make the sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth a little bit. Next, make a slight circle with your lips, like this. Then, make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Now let's practice a few words with the sound. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Book. Could. Sugar. The sound can be spelled with the letters OO as in book, OU as in could, and U as in sugar. Nicely done. Great job. Ellii.